Let's sing the alphabet from A to Z. Listen, repeat, and follow me. Letters and words we'll learn today. Let's sing them all the easy way. A is for apple, I like to eat. B is for ball, it rolls on the street. C is for cat, it sleeps on the bed. D is for dog, it shakes its head. E is for egg, I cook it hot. F is for fish, I like it a lot. G is for goat, it eats some grass. H is for hat, I wear it in class. A, B, C, D, sing with me. E, F, G, H, 1, 2, 3. Let's say the letters nice and clear. The English alphabet we can hear. I is for ice, it's cold to touch. J is for juice, I drink so much. K is for kite, it flies up high. L is for lamp, it shines at night. M is for moon, I see it bright. N is for nose, it smells just right. O is for orange, round and sweet. P is for pen, I write so neat. I, J, K, L, come along. M, N, O, P, sing this song. Say the letters one by one. Learning English can be fun. Q is for queen, she wears a crown. R is for rabbit, it jumps around. S is for sun, it's warm and bright. T is for tree, tall and light. U is umbrella, I use in rain. V is for van, it drives on the lane. W is window, I look outside. X is xylophone, with colors wide. Y is for yellow, bright and new. Z is for zebra, black and white too. Now we've learned from A to Z, you can sing it easily. Letters, words, and sounds we say, practice them every day.